This is a design file for Canon CD Label Print. The software is discontinued, but you can still find it to print your CD/DVD labels. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the software. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value CLD file, inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A CLD file is associated with Canon CD Label and clip art software, used for designing and printing labels for CDs and DVDs. It contains layout information, text, images, and other design elements arranged on the label. These files are proprietary to Canon software and cannot be opened or edited by other label design programs. CLD files store data in a structured format specific to Canon software. The internal structure includes details about the placement of text boxes, image references, font styles, and color schemes. The file format is not publicly documented, making reverse engineering difficult. It is designed for seamless integration with Canon printers for optimal print quality. Windows registers the CLD file as an opener for Canon CD Label and clip art developed by Canon. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows offers limited insight into these files, so interpretation relies on the application that generated them. Open the context menu by right-clicking your CLD file and choosing Open With. Try Canon CD Label and clip art first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If you still cannot open your CLD file, that is okay. Since the CLD file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, install My Image Garden. Most modern Canon printers use My Image Garden to open legacy.cld files. If you have a very old file from the early 2000s, you may specifically need Canon CD Label Print, which can still be found on Canon's legacy support site. Next, missing photo. Fix. If your label opens but the pictures are gone, you likely moved the source photos to a different folder. Move the photos back to their original location, and the .cld file will automatically find them again. Finally, convert to PDF. If you no longer have a Canon printer but need the design, open the .cld file in the Canon software and use a Print to PDF driver. This flattens the layout into a standard document you can view anywhere. When this CLD file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the CLD format. Go to FileMagick.com to download now. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow.